welcome back to another vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time because life has been happening, and then so many family events, funeral home, and I did get a little cold, and my husband got a little cold as in like a cough. Anyways, I don't know what this vlog is gonna be about, but you're just gonna come along and enjoy it with me because you know it's my vlog. My life is unorganized because that's how life is, because you know shit be happening. We're gonna go hang out with my cousin and our friends. I think we're going bowling. I don't know. We're at my auntie's house. Look at this boy. His name is Milo. Thank you. Go get him. Go get him. This is the person that he's staring at. Hi, buddy. Okay, bye. Rude. Why are you so cute? Your little paw.
What do you mean?
It's a package? Well, because are y'all doing like delivery?
Oh, you're
like,
so damn cute,
Amazon
Milo.
stuff, right?
Yeah.
It's Amazon stuff, right? So
Yeah.
it varies.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in fear.
Oh, it's so fucking good. This apple juice is so good. I don't know. It's very good. It's so gloomy out today. It's leaning. But apple juice, so good. I'm so excited to tell you guys because thanks to my cousin and her boyfriend for convincing my husband to go to a rave show tonight. It's gonna be his first one. It's gonna be my first one. I don't know. I'm just so excited. Like, I don't know. I'm just very excited. Hi guys. Here's my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing to the festival. I am wearing this Hello Kitty 2XL button-up shirt that my husband got today. I'm wearing my red lace bra, and I'm wearing bikini bottom. That's like a little skirt that ties inside. I am just gonna be wearing my Converse, and I'm gonna wear my Gojo socks. I will start vlogging on my phone. The quality changes, sorry, but okay. Woo, see you guys soon.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize.
But it's the next day already. And here's a little update. We left the show, the festival, a little bit early than expected because someone had too much fun and it was not me. Today we went to go eat pho, got some Chinese food. We just came back from Maplewood Mall because I had to get stuff for the bachelorette party. Oh my god, you creeper. I am all done. I just did my makeup and I'm gonna show you some of it, but not all of it because you know it's gonna be, I have nieces and nephews and family that watches my vlog, so yeah. This is what I got at Target. I got a gift bag because you know it says Happy You Day. This is a birthday bag, okay? It's a bachelorette, so it's her day. Tissue paper. And then I went to Spencer's. I'm just gonna show you guys what is appropriate to show on video. One of the items I got is for her and her man. This is a position of the day. And it's a little book. Blindfold. And then yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you guys because everything else is R-rated.
Yeah, think I only want one number in my phone. I might change your contact to don't leave me alone. You said you like my eyes and you like to make a roll. Treat me like a queen, now you got me feeling thrown. But I can't help myself when you get close to me. Baby, my temple's numb. Sounds like lately. I don't want no one else. Baby, I'm in too deep. Here's a little something slow. It's about you and me. I'll be honest.
Okay, let's get going. And the funny thing is, my friend, she legit like lives 2 minutes away from where my husband and I live at right now.
You got me thinking nonsense.
Are you okay over there?
When you got your arms around me, oh, it feels so good. I had to jump the octave. I think I did.
This is my current setup right now. I'm gonna play Dream Rally. I'm gonna watch Mulan. It's Mulan and Mushu.
She's a traitor.
Mushu, Mulan, and then Mulan.
Traitor.
Bitch, you're a traitor. And I is laying in bed and my papa. Wait my stitch. And you see my fat husband's arm behind me. Touching his phone. Oh! I is gonna get ready. We're gonna go eat momo.
My hair is a mess, so I just decided to put on a headband, shorts. Gonna wear a hat instead. We are home, and I am gonna change into my cozy, comfortable clothes because we're not going nowhere after. Yeah, we're staying home. Remember how I said we weren't gonna do anything for the rest of the day? Well, that's a lie. We're actually going to a concert in a few.
Look, my friends are here.
They're drinking that. They only have a little bit left.
Yeah, we killed it. Yeah, we're hardcore.
And then I've been drinking apple juice.
It's beer, liar.
No, it's apple juice, motherfucker. Apple juice. Okay, do you have anything to say to Chong? Chong, do you have to say anything to Victor?
Yes, it's not Bach. I do. I accept. Hola.
Okay, cheers.
Oh, what's up? Nah. I love you, baby. Love you too.
They're gonna wake up together.
I know. I was punching you. We're here at the event and they're selling pizza. I have pizza and this guy's getting pizza.
It's pretty good. Trust me, it's pretty good.
At the same time.
What?
You would think, just you would think that like, it's bad, but it's not bad.
It's like the pizza from elementary school.
A little bit, yeah.
You know, like the pizza they put in a plastic bag. It's pretty good.
I've been up here so long.
I know, I haven't been here for so long. It's so pretty during the sunset. Say what you said to me, Chong.
I'm Trump tonight.
Yeah, it is all on you. Say it's all on me again.
It's all on her.
Say it's all on me.
All on Shine.
Motherfucker.
It's all on Shine tonight.
I got a Coke. So taking shots. Ooh, and it stinks.
Baby, you so fine, baby, you so fine.